the entrance. Have to take your shoes off. Oh, that was tight. Okay. Barn door. Oh, it's nice. I just closed the door. The air is on. And then you have this spot right here, sitting spot. Barn door. What is this? Oh, here's the bathroom. Just right near the entrance. We have a bathtub here. Oh, a standing fan. How nice. Dining room. Oh, there's the welcome coffee. And then the kitchen, which looks really nice, just like in the pictures. Aren't they so cute? Look at that. So retro. All right. Cold water. Make sure you don't put anything right in there, the hole. Put a freezer here. If I'm standing right near the sink, I see the Joshua trees outside the window, the kitchen window. It's really cozy. And here is everything. This nook is so neat. And then you get the entrance, the barn door, and then the entrance. Yes, we kind of like made ourselves at home already. Everything is like all scattered. Yeah, I gotta show you like the shelves or the, yeah, look at this, all the spices that they provide for you. It's like right under the induction stove or cooktop. So, wow. Isn't that neat? Oh, there's a little waffle maker. How neat. Everything. Salad spinner, bowls, oven toaster, all the blender if you want to make your smoothies in the mornings. It's perfect, perfect, perfect. I love it. There's an electric kettle as well to make your drip coffee, and then there's the machine, any way possible really. Here's your utensils. Trash bags and everything, cleaning products. More dishes, glasses. Foil. Oh, what kind of seasoning is this? Taco. What else? If you want to do like s'mores and stuff like that, or skewers, fire pit is outside. This is good for me. You have to take your shoes off when you enter the house, and so they provide like the house slippers in for you. And this is what view from the kitchen, and so you get more of from where the kitchen table is, the dining, and here's Bigfoot. Ah, yes, I hear you, birds. This is like 4, 6. Good morning. Oh, yeah, there's a little bit of traffic behind me, but it's beautiful. And the sunset, I'm already talking about sunset, the sunrise. This is beautiful. And cheers. Here's my coffee. Beautiful. All right, cheers. It's coffee. I don't want to get my shadow. I want to get the flowers. Look at that. Oh, such a beautiful, pleasant day. Yeah, I just have my slippers on. It's a walking type of slipper. So, oh, here's a really nice bloom. Oh my goodness, I gotta go the other way. Oh, I found it. I found it. Bear with me. I love these cactus blooms. Oh, they're so pretty. These are only along the roads, so it's very difficult to get them, but here they are. Oh, they are so pretty. Here's a budding Joshua tree. Of course, another Joshua tree. I think this is like the biggest one that I've seen so far. Of course, I have to stop and take pictures and probably just enjoy the beauty. Oh, don't want to get bit by these guys. Look at that. Look at the beauty of the space. Of course, we went to the Mojave Desert, I think last year. Was it last year? Yeah, and most of it was all burnt down. That was so sad. But look at this. And here we are. I'm gonna find refuge. I'm gonna find some shade under here, and hopefully nothing falls down on me. Oh, so nice. Ooh, look how spiky they are. Let's see. Whoa, they are hard and sharp. Now I'm in the shade. Oh, so nice. I desert. Hey, good morning. It's like 9 a.m. and this is what we're seeing after we entered the other way of, there's like a few ways to enter Joshua Tree, and we're going home a different route. And so look at these. Oh, I'm in like desert flower heaven here. So beautiful. Look at these patches of these purple ones. Oops, I gotta squat down. Oh, I love it. I love it. Also, spiky something. You can't get enough of these. These are like the California poppies, or the smaller ones. Excuse me, I don't really know my floral things here. Names of all these. Yeah, I'll do a research. Oh, look at this one. This is something new. So my husband thought this was an egg, but when you see that tip right here, it's a squash. We sure do know our nature stuff. Here, look, all these, we thought the eggshells all shattered and all that. So it's all like pumpkins or a squash, some type of desert squash. So we'll and it is getting warmer. We'll see you all later. Bye.